What's up, you guys? Back at it again. Today is another video. Today we are working on the truck course. Like you can see on the title of the video, we are putting a dash cam on the truck finally. I have had this truck for a while. This is actually my first dash cam that I've ever purchased in my life. So this should be fun. I unboxed it already, so sorry, not too much to unbox, but I'll show you what comes with it. This is the Insignia full HD dual camera, so it is full dual. Most Postmates and Ubers use this, I think, or at least that's who I think it would be for. But it is for the inside and out. I think it would be kind of cool to have it for whenever I go on trips, you know, and I want to record the inside and the outside and just have the videos for you guys on YouTube. So that's why I bought it. It is the cheaper version. There's more expensive. I think this is one of the cheapest ones you can find, at least at Best Buy. It was like 70 bucks. Not that bad. I saw a couple that were like 150. So today we're gonna be installing it, and let me show you real quick what's all in the box. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. Alright guys, so this is pretty much all it comes with. It's the little, what is it? Little cup, whatever, that goes on it. The camera that has the back camera and the front camera, kind of cool. Like it. No use, no SIM card, just the camera. Okay, and it comes with the long cable, which is kind of cool. Hopefully it's enough to run it where I want it to, at least. So let's get to it. Let's get this thing installed. All right, you guys. So we're gonna try to put this here. I'm thinking about right about here, roughly, and then of course we're gonna try to run the cable, you know, through the ceiling, down this pillar, and then around. Hopefully I don't have to use this. I really don't want to, like, you know, lose this. Oh, sorry, I also almost forgot. It also comes with this little 12-volt adapter here that I can just connect it to the truck. But I don't want to use it here. I want to go ahead and put it in the center console so I can have it hidden away. How I'm gonna do that, I don't know, but I think that's gonna be plan B here. If this is long enough to go into the center console, then I'll put it in the center console, but we'll see. Wish me luck. Okay guys, that was pretty easy, kind of. Still need to finish some stuff, but I got the dash cam on, ran the wire. Might have to like figure out how to make it more hidden away a little bit. Ran it through here. This pillar has an airbag, so that was kind of scary, but I took those two bolts off, ran the cable down this way. You can see it right here, just a little bit pokes out a little bit, but it's fine. Then it goes under under here, then it goes into here, and into here. It's a little open, but it's fine. It's not like a big deal. And then it goes straight into here. Sorry for the mess, but it goes straight into here, where it is connected to a 12-volt adapter to USB, and there it goes. The only thing with that is when I turn on and off the car, it won't turn off and on with the car, so it's gonna suck. Maybe I might have to run it through here, find a way how to take this off, and I might just run it through here, run it around here, and then into one of the ports where like it turns on and off instead of being on all the time. So I'll figure that out right now, but for right now we'll put these bolts back on, start closing it up. So yeah. Alright guys, so I made it. Was able to connect them here, run them through the inside of here, move it so I can now close my little door that I always wanted to close but I never could. Then the cable, a little bit away, you can't really tell that much that well unless you like see the cable there, but then it goes around, like I said, around this to the pillar. I'm gonna try to put this one in here. I think you can because there's a little hole here that comes out. You can put it out this way. But the thing that I like about it now is that every time I turn on the truck, let's see. Let's see what we'll turn on. So what I like about it now is that I can just turn on the car and it should turn on every time I turn on the car, and then when I turn it off, it should turn off. There you go. Right. There you go. It needs a SD card still, but at least it turns on with the car. So when I turn off the car, it'll stay on for a little bit while runs through all that energy. So, but there you go. It turned off. Took it a minute or two, but at least it turned off. And then every time I turn on the truck, it'll turn on. It's kind of cool. I don't know how well it records or anything, so we'll make a video for that later. It has mics, so you can talk and it will listen to you as well. So yeah, so that's all we are doing today for the truck. Oh, I ran the cable through the middle, through the side here of the thing, so that way I can always just have my phone there charging while I'm driving. I guess I can't use it while I drive, so I mean, you shouldn't be texting and driving anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, the truck looks way cleaner now. No cables anywhere except there. That's trash, but yeah, you have this little cable here, but it's all right. It is what it is. I'm really excited to get recording on that. That will be fun. Let's go check out the Honda, because I moved it out of the garage and it gave me a check engine, so let's go check that out. Let's see what that is all about. So we have the OBD2 majigger digger, and here's the Honda. Ooh, I almost hit my dad's truck. He would have killed me, thank God. So I don't know why, but Hondas have this all the way over there in the corner. Show you what I mean. And it sucks, because on other cars they're just right here and it's all easy. This is just like hidden away. And then I was working on a Honda the other day, another Honda, and it was just like hidden really back there. So let's turn on the ignition. Let's see what this comes out to. I don't know why, but the OBD2 sensor, yeah, it actually doesn't figure out it's a Honda. When I connect it to the truck or to any other car, like newer cars, I automatically say, oh, is this a Ford, or is this a Nissan, or is this a Toyota? For some reason on this, it asks me if it's a Ford or a Honda, but that's because I told it was a Honda first. So let's see how long it will take us to get this figured out. Hopefully it's nothing emission wise, something fixable. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So look, new vehicle, Honda or Honda. I want to say it's this one. I've never seen actually tell me two Hondas. I'm just gonna say it's this Honda. Yes, this is a Honda. So O2 heater circuit. So I guess it's the circuit. I guess we're gonna have to check it out, get it fixed. I guess it's the sensor. So hopefully it's not too expensive, because this car is actually getting to a point where it's way too expensive for me to maintain. And I feel like I might just sell it in parts if it comes down to it, because I don't know if I told you guys, but plates are expired for 3 or 4 years now. So that's $800 right there. So, and then we already did a lot of things to it for now, so I guess if we can make our money back, everything else will be just bonus. I think we're in like good $2,000 with the car, the new engine, and the little parts here and there. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on my social media for all truck, Honda, Razor. Hopefully a new toy soon. I've been thinking about it. It's we'll see if it comes true or not. Yeah. So for all that information, just go to check out my Instagram, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.